Hi everyone, welcome to Wisdom Era online classes. The today class, let's we learn about the checking subtraction. So here, you can check how we can subtract the numbers, right? So by the example here, let's subtract 37,254 from 85,106 and check the answer. So here you have to subtract here 37,254 from the 85,106. Here this is subtrahend and that is minus. The difference you will get, right? So here you can see of the sum of the examples, how you can get the differences. If you add those two, you will get the sum. And here difference and subtrahend, you will get the minuend. So by checking the subtractions, you can see and you can check it by the sum rules. See here this problem 435 and 212 here, the number from which you can subtract, that is minuend. That is the number that is subtracted from minuend, that is subtrahend. So what is the result obtained finally? That is difference. So any number minus 0, you will get the same number, and number minus same number, you will get the 0. The formula you can see here, the difference is equal to minuend minus subtrahend, and subtrahend is equals to minuend minus differences. By using these formulas, you can easily recognize the missing one. So this is a problem. Just you can see in this problem minuend, subtrahend, and finally if you subtract those two, you will get the difference. So how you can recognize? Minuend is equals to difference plus subtrahend. So these all the three help us to find the missing number. So find the missing digits in subtraction. Before going to that, or while you are solving the problems, keep these formulas in your mind. Difference is equals to minuend minus subtrahend. Subtrahend is equals to minuend minus differences, and minuend is equals to difference plus subtrahend. So here 60,000, so 6 and some number is missed here, 357 and 46, and two numbers are missed here, 3. So how you can find it here? Minuend, the formula for this is difference plus subtrahend. So here find out here. So in the ones place you have to find it. What is the answer? So to find the minuend, difference plus subtrahend, that is 4 plus 3 is equals to 7. So to find this subtrahend, so you have to subtract the minuend minus differences. So 5 minus 2, that is 3 is here. So to find out here, to missing one in the 100 place, so that is subtrahend. The subtrahend is equals to, so what is the answer for here? For subtrahend is equals to, so m plus d, that is minuend minus differences. So minuend minus differences, so subtrahend, that is equals to the 3 minus 8. So that is, so you have to take borrow. Now it will become 13 now. 13 minus 8, because 3 it is lesser than 8, so you have to borrow from the next place. So here the value is 13 minus 8 is 5. So what is the missing one in 100 place? That is 5. So here, so now 1000 place there is a 0. So take borrow from the next place. So what it will become? You are finding now. What you are finding? Finding your minuend. So minuend is equals to the difference plus subtrahend. So the minuend, that is, you have taken already the borrow from that place. So now what it will become? The difference is, the difference is here 5 and minus. So the difference plus subtrahend, that is minuend. 5 plus 6 plus 1, that is 12. So now the answer is 12. Right? I think you are understanding this. So just you see this, you will get the idea. So what it will become? So you already have taken one borrow from this. It will make it as 11. So the 5, it will become 6 becomes 5 because you have taken borrow. So now what is the answer is, the minuend is equals to difference plus subtrahend, that is 5 plus 6 plus 1, that is 12 is your. So now, so in the ones place, the 7 plus 3, 7 minus 3, that is 4, 5 minus 3 is 2, and now it will become 13, 13 minus 5 is 8. So 11 minus 6, 5, and that is 5 minus 4 is equals to 1. So these are all the formulas. You can find out the missing one. Thank you very much.